Well, as you can see, I haven't done anything at all. I've been in bed sick this whole week. I started coming down with something on Friday of last week, and I was starting to feel okay on Saturday, but then I got just not feeling good at all. And the heat upstairs is not helping at all. I've got an air conditioner that the thermostat is shot on it, and I had a gentleman come out and look at it about 4 weeks ago, and he looked at it and said he'd be back in a couple weeks, and it's been 4 weeks. And I could sure use some cool air up there, but the air conditioner only cools when it's cool outside, so it's useless right now. And it just exacerbates how I feel right now. But anyway, I'm probably gonna take it easy for the next couple more days, and hopefully I'll feel good on Monday of next week. It's just something that hit me, and it's just partially because of a new dosage in one of the drugs I take. I went back to the old dosage, and I'm starting to feel a lot better because of it. But I was getting a side effect with this drug that I'm taking. I'm taking about 12 pills a day to keep my heart pumping and keep the blood clots from forming, and the diabetes and high blood pressure, all that stuff. It really takes it out of you, all these damn drugs. But I'm feeling a lot better because of my going back to my old setup on my drugs. It just, when I increased the dosage on this one, it had some side effects. Nothing drastic, just enough to knock it out of me. So anyway, I'm fine. I'm not dying or anything. It's just a combination of heat, a dosage of a drug, and all the other things that go along. It's been a real nice trip this week. Now, I've got the idea of what I'm going to do with this piece, and that's another problem I'm dealing with. I really have no place to put it when I finish it, and that's a real problem. I went to the lumber yard Friday and got some lumber to make a base for this clay. What I'm thinking is I'm going to have a pioneer girl, a young pioneer girl. Just dropped the leg. I've got an idea of what I'm going to do. It's going to be not a cowboy, and it's not going to be an Indian. It's going to be a pioneer girl, and it's going to be a young girl who's at the end of a long day on the Oregon Trail. They're camped near a pond of water and she's taking the horse down to the water, and she's watering the horse and cooling off the horse and herself. I'm thinking of having her sitting up here on the horse. The horse is going to be deep in the water, about this deep, maybe, I don't know. I got to figure out how I'm going to design that. And then I was thinking on the shore, having her mother getting a bucket of water filled from the pond, and her dad standing there with a rifle guarding the two women. Now that's my idea. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, because I'm thinking of the size of the thing, and I'm not sure if that whole design is going to work, because anytime you spread out a design like that, I don't know if it is complementary to the whole design. But it's what I'm thinking of. On the computer to check out photographs of horses standing in water drinking, and some pictures have actually got people sitting on their back, you know, like a young girl or something like that. So that's what I'm thinking, and it's just something that's going to have to wait until I can feel 100% to start working on it. And but I'm anxious to get back to work on this clay. So that's the situation. I wanted to give you a short update as to what's going on. All right, everybody, have a have a great week. I'll see you next week. Yeah, I'm fine. The heat's gotten to me, that's all. All right, good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.